Hi, I'm Sharat Kabra, the founder of Shipturtle. Shipping is extremely important to a marketplace, and we are really good at it. Shipturtle is integrated with over 200 plus carriers across the world, and we have a full stack integration which covers label generation, cancellation, tracking, pickups, and everything else associated with shipping. Whenever an order comes on Shipturtle, you can easily click this particular button and all the different shipping carriers which you have integrated with their associated rates will display out here. You can select 100 orders as well and click on bulk generate shipping labels to generate labels for all of them. Once a label is generated, Shipturtle will continuously track whether that parcel has moved. So the moment it leaves your warehouse, it will start appearing under the In Transit tab. And once delivered, it will move to the Delivered tab. We will sync the status with your website as well so that your customers can easily know what the status of their order is. So essentially, you, your customers, as well as your vendors have a single view of the status of the order, which leads to very, very simplified operations. In case you want to work with a carrier which we are not integrated with, you can reach out to us and we'll be happy to give you a quote for integrating the same.